Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew in Project Zomboid. First, understand that stew is a highly efficient meal, providing significant hunger and thirst reduction, plus a mood boost. It's a fantastic way to maximize your food resources and keep your survivor in top shape. You'll need a cooking pot and a reliable heat source to get started on this culinary journey. Next, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a cooking pot filled with at least 900 milliliters of water. Then, gather up to 6 different food items. Think about a good mix of protein and vegetables. Carrots, potatoes, cabbage, and onions are great vegetable choices, while chicken, fish, or any small animal meat will provide that crucial protein for a hearty meal. Now for the cooking itself. With your pot of water, right-click it in your inventory to add up to 6 ingredients. Once assembled, place your cooking pot onto a heat source. This could be an oven, a campfire, or even a propane barbecue. Stew typically takes 70 minutes to cook and another 70 minutes to burn, so keep an eye on it. Remove it promptly once cooked to prevent burning your precious meal. A well-made stew offers incredible benefits, reducing hunger by 40 points and thirst by 40 points. It also provides a substantial 310 calories, keeping you full and happy. Cooked stew can be divided into 2 or 4 bowls for easier consumption or sharing. Remember to store any leftovers in a refrigerator or freezer to keep them fresh longer. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you clean up your base in style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.